5 home remedies for skin regeneration. But be it woman or man, young or old, every day wants to be radiant. Flawless skin, healthy skin adds grace to one overall beauty is a sign of the good health. With age, the skin loses its original elasticity and supplements discoloration, fine lines, age spots, saggy skin, and wrinkles begin to show, making your skin dull and lifeless. There are many other poor skin qualities such as pollution, improper skincare, routine exposure to the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, unhealthy diet, dehydration, stress, smoking, drinking too much alcohol, and inadequate sleep. Moreover, healthy problems and healthy lifestyles can take a toll on your skin health and quality. Nevertheless, with some simple lifestyle changes and easy to follow home remedies, you can also revitalize and regenerate your skin to more it look beautiful and youthful. In fact, these measures can easily help to your skin and to make your skin young and beautiful for much longer than you expect. Number 1 is lemon juice. Lemon juice regenerates skin by reducing the age spots and other signs of the aging. The vitamin C in the lemon is a strong antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from your free radical damage. In addition, its bleaching properties help to improve your overall skin complexion. Pour a few drops of the honey on 1.5 cup of the lemon, rub it gently on your face using upward strokes and leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse your face off. Do this twice a week. 2 is cucumber. Cucumber, a high water content in the cucumber is nourishing and hydrating for your skin. Its astringent and soothing properties manipulate the acne-prone and sunburned skin and help to regenerate your skin. In addition, the antioxidant properties in the cucumber helps to maintain the clear, glowing, and younger skin. Mix together 2 tablespoons of the grated cucumber, half teaspoon of the yogurt to make it a face mask. Apply this on your face and neck and add 20 minutes rinse it off your warm water. Use this face mask twice a week. Number 3 is papaya. Papaya is rich in vitamin A, C, and E and has an antioxidant properties that help in regenerating your skin. It helps to keep the skin soft, smooth, and moisturized. In addition, the alpha hydroxy acid in papaya helps to exfoliate the skin and it also beneficial in treating the acne, blemishes, dark spots, and other similar properties. Mix 2 tablespoons of the mashed ripe papaya, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of the fresh lemon juice. Apply this on your face. After 15 minutes, wash it off with the warm water. Finally, splash some cold water on your face. Use this face mask once a week to enjoy beautiful skin. Number 4 is banana. Banana is an excellent for regenerate your skin and especially dry skin because of the moisturizing properties. It can also help to fight wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of the aging. Mash 1 small ripe banana, add 2 tablespoons of the milk cream and 1 tablespoon each of the organic honey and oat flour and a little water to the makeup paste. Apply this paste on your face, let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with the lukewarm water. Number 5 is yogurt. Yogurt is extremely beneficial for your skin and the lactic acid present in the yogurt works like a natural cleanser, exfoliating agent, and moisturizer. It can help to replenish the lost glow of the radiate to your skin. Prepare a mixture of the 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and half teaspoon of the turmeric powder and the grain flour. Apply this paste on your face and neck. Allow it to dry, then rinse off with cool water. Use this face pack 1 or twice a week.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.